Morning guys, happy Friday for us. Not sure about you because we don't know when you're watching this film or video. So 2012 T5.1 Volkswagen Transporter came from factory with the auxiliary parking heater. That's a diesel heater that's fitted up underneath the vehicle, and this customer has no way of interacting with it. So we have fitted a genuine Webasto remote upgrade kit that comes with a little remote control. It's very simple. It's wired into the climate control and it's wired into the parking heater up underneath. So in this video and on this particular van, we've had to jack up the van, drop the plastic panel, the waterproof guard from the water heater itself, and then when we have dropped the parking heater down, we interact with the control side of that. Typically, only a few months ago or weeks ago, we removed our ramp from in here and put it in our other building, but other buildings busy with motorhomes today, so we've had to use a good old-fashioned jack and axle stands, but no big deal. The cabling is now in, and then cables and fuses have been run to the battery, a decent chassis ground, and also, like I said, back to the climate control. So as soon as I turn this on, so I'm going to just press and hold the on button for 2 seconds. Automatically, that then activates the fan or the blower. Because this is a manual vehicle that doesn't have automatic climate control, the relays will then turn on the fan, and at the same time, within about 2 minutes, the Webasto heater will start to spool up, and you can hear that clicking as the fuel is sent through, and then you get that smell of aviation fuel or jet fuel or diesel as it gets pumped in through to the burner. After, I'd say, probably 10 minutes, you can then unlock the van if you're not already in there, and you'll feel already the heater coming out. And that means that the ignition is not on. You can defrost your van. If you're in your house or wherever you are, you can defrost your van, come out to a nice, warm, toasty, cozy van, clear the ice or the snow off the vehicle, but also if you're cold and you want to just sit in there and you don't want to have the engine running, then you can do that as well. So I'm just going to turn that off. Just turn that off there with a double press. Now you might not be able to hear that. So if the microphone is able to pick that up, that's just the Webasto heater just spooling down. And that's just gone nice and quiet. And what that does is after you've turned it off, it removes the excess gases away from there, but obviously we are in a building, so that's why you can, well, you can't smell it, but that's why we can smell the fuel, but you would be if you were close to your vehicle. So that overrun feature then gets rid of that. Now, because it's connected to the vehicle, it will only stay on for a certain amount of time, because otherwise you are using the main vehicle battery for the powering of the climate control, but it's all original equipment that we're fitting. So if you've got a VW Transporter and on your driver's door shunt, as you open the door, there's a sticker that says Webasto, then you've got a parking heater. All you need to do is get in touch with us via the website, which link is in the bio. Complete a contact form, tell us that you want a Webasto parking heater upgrade, and we can quote for it after we've checked compatibility. And that just means then you're making the most out of the factory features built into your van. Thanks for watching, have a good day, and speak to you soon.